there will be a Blue Ribbon Committee hearing on Monday. We are just moving the scheduled date from tomorrow to prepare all members. Matter of fact, I declare and I manifested that all members of the Senate, be in the majority and the new minority now, they are all members of the Blue Ribbon Committee para wala pong masabi na ika nga may hocus-pocus. Now, pertaining to those invited resource persons, hindi po ako sangayon because we have to review these people. May sasabihin po ba talaga? Mayroon po bang i-disclose? We have to review this. Number two, the proper way to invite resource persons, you do not give it out to the media. You give it to the members first. Ang nangyari po kanina, yung lista na sinasabi nila invited sa Blue Ribbon, hindi po dumaan sa tamang process. It should have been given first to the members para kung may dadagdag, may papabawas doon, sabihin hindi, wala ito. The members should have been consulted. Kaya, you have to give me time until Monday next week kung sino po at yung oras po at exactly 9 a.m. on Monday, there will be a Blue Ribbon Committee hearing.